Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this iPad Magic Keyboard. So here's everything that comes in the box. You don't get any cables or anything. You're simply going to put the iPad Pro M4 13 edition onto it. It's going to protect it. It's going to magnetically attach to it. Then you can close the case. Now it does have a USB-C port right here. This is for pass-through charging. So if you want to plug your charging cable in right here, it's going to charge the iPad Pro through this connection right here. But this connection is also going to power up the keyboard. The keyboard does have backlighting. And this is also how the iPad connects to the keyboard. It's through this connector right here. So there is no Bluetooth pairing or nothing like that. Again, there's no battery in here. The keyboard gets its power from the iPad Pro, or you can charge the iPad Pro through. Now you cannot put accessories on this USB-C, like you can't put a thumb drive or anything. This is only pass-through charging to the iPad Pro. It has a cutout. This is really, really soft. It's very stable. I'm going to show you. I'll put the iPad Pro on here in a second, but that hinge is very stable. We can tilt the iPad. The outside is kind of a rubber grippy, but kind of slick. Again, there's what the hinge looks like. Here's what the back. Let's do some measurements real quick. 11¼ inches. Oh, about 9 inches that way. It's thicker down here, about a ½ inch. It sits really flat. And there's the keys. It does have a nice big trackpad. That trackpad is 4 inches by about 2½. Yeah. We've got all the buttons up here that we need. It says we have haptic feedback also. The keys are soft. They're not super quiet, but they are pretty quiet. So there's all the keys you get. The actual keyboard is 10½ inches by about 4 inches. And again, here's the iPad Pro. It has this accessory mount. So you'll line that up, and then it's magnetically, it just sticks to it. It is very stable now. And again, I can tilt it straight up. I can tilt it kind of any angle I would like. I kind of like that angle right there. But this keyboard turns this iPad into like a laptop. This iPad Pro M4 13 edition is super amazing. Because you got this trackpad, and you got a little ball that goes around on the iPad Pro with the trackpad, and you can select things. It's just super nice. Okay, so with the iPad Pro, it's going to be about 9 inches tall. You know, with it all the way tilted back, it's about 13 inches. Again, very, very stable. It's got a nice, strong magnet. No pairing. You simply just stick it on there, and it works. And then when you want to protect it, you just close it. And now my iPad Pro is protected. I can carry it with me, take it where I need to go. When it's all together, it's about, again, just under a ½ inch thick. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.